Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed ledger technology that securely records and verifies transactions across multiple computers. Unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain ensures transparency, security, and immutability by using cryptographic hashing and consensus mechanisms. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block, creating a linked chain of blocks. This structure makes it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with past transactions, providing a high level of security. Blockchain has gained significant attention for its potential applications beyond cryptocurrencies, including supply chain management, healthcare, finance, and voting systems. By eliminating the need for intermediaries and enabling peer-to-peer transactions, blockchain can reduce costs, increase efficiency, and foster trust in digital interactions. Its decentralized nature also enhances data privacy and resilience against cyber attacks. Despite its promising benefits, blockchain faces challenges such as scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory hurdles. However, ongoing research and development are addressing these issues, paving the way for wider adoption and integration of blockchain technology in various industries. As blockchain continues to evolve, it holds the potential to revolutionize how we conduct transactions and manage data in the digital age.